Welcome back, uh, and this is the ninth video. So we'll save this file as a number 9. And in this video, I'm just going to talk about the string. So a string is one of the very you know important topic in Python. Even you can assume that by default Python assume any input as a string type. So what basically the string is? So a string is basically a set of characters which is used to perform you know um, any kind of operations which is related to the string, I mean the group of characters, right? So we understand first with the simple example. So better we'll give this title heading here, and title heading string in Python. Okay, and let's enter here. So let's take the simple example that how we are going to declare the string variable. So let's say str1 is a one variables, and we are going to welcome to string part of Python practical series. Okay, this is one of the string which I assigned. Okay, so values got assigned here, and now I'm just wanted to print the str1. You will able to get the result same, and which will print. So what exactly here happening, that each and every string variable have the set of characters, and those set of character having the index values. What in index value, you may assume that it's quite similar to the array. And string array basically what it does is group of character array, we can say. So first index value will start with the 0, and then 1 2 3. So the based on the index value, so first would be the 0 and last would be the n minus 1. So let's print the you will understand in the same way that first character of string. So how you are going to print the first character? So print, and you just give the message first char of str1, right? And after that we are give str of 0 here. So let us see what it's printing here. So it is printing what? W, right? So in the 0th index, what is the stored here? 0. Let's print the let's say fifth char of str1. So fifth would come in the 4th index, means because the index value is going to start with 0. So here it's coming in the here O, right? So 1 0 1 2 3 4, yeah, O is coming with the fifth basically fifth char of str1. So that's how you are going to here. Even in with the string function you can print the value. So basically this is called slicing. So slicing a string, slicing str1 better string variable. So let's see, if I wanted to print the values between two range, let's say a string substring. So str1, and I want between index number 5 to 11, right? So let us see what it's giving here. So substring me too, let's say here. So what okay, me too, this is the values basically it's printing. This is a value. Let us make it separate so that you should able to. So this is the basically the result. So 5th to 11, what is printing? This is our original string 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, the 5th is M, 6th is E, then space is 7th, then S is to T, basically here T is the 9th and O is the 10th, and basically it doesn't print the 11th one. So basically before 1 you will get the result. So you may assume that the index value from 5 to 10 will get printed by the this one. Okay, let's test more substring, right? So I'm just going to print here between, let's say, 8 to 15. Yeah, 15. Yeah, okay. Let's print this value. So to str here, you are going to get 2 str. This is basically 8 to 15. Even you can change here, let's say 16 to 20. Okay, so based on the your parameters, you can change the values. Okay, so this is one of the interesting things. Slicing is one of the very much important while you are dealing with the substring. Let's start other parts now. That if you wanted to print any string 2 times, so there is a you can say something very interesting in the Python. So I'll take the str2 equal to, let's say, I'm just giving a simple Python practice, right? Practice. This is one of the string, and it should be either in single quotes or double quotes. Python accept both. And I just going to print 2 times of this string. So no need to write anything. Just you type variable name and multiply by 2. So let's see how it's print. Look at here, right? So the whenever you will use, the same values will get printed by 2 times. Done. Okay, now even in the Python there is a very good things that you can using the plus sign, you can concatenate 2 strings. So let's say str2 plus and str1, right? So let's not disturb this, better I'll use another cell, right? So str2 is the here new string Python, something like that, any name you can give. Okay, and I'm just going to perform the addition of 2 string str1, right? Let's see how concatenations work. So new string str2 is the first new string Python, and make sure that if you want there should be some space, you can give one space here between 2, and then you can perform the addition using this. So this helps while you are printing the values from the different multiple variables. Okay, so this is one. So this is all about one kind of introductory part of the strings. We'll come to the next video just to avoid the because once the videos get lengthy, you might be feel bored. So we will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.